Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the DCR effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to the TV category, and then you'll be able to find DCR. Click and drag it down to the timeline. Let's use our player head to check out what it does. Bring it to the end of the clip. Now with the effect being selected, we can go to the Special Effects tab and mess with the filter of the effect, the horizontal, the strength, and the stickers. What we can do is also add keyframes, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what that is. And let's bring everything down to its max. The strength, the sticker, all that. Add a keyframe on the top right corner. And now let's bring it over here. And we're going to add another keyframe. Filter, horizontal, the strength of it, and the sticker, right? We'll make the sticker more prevalent. Now let's see what happens if we add keyframes to this effect. Yeah. You guys see those settings move to the top right corner? That's how we do it. DCR effect all day. Well, guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out.